Hey guys, it's Angie Tonini-Rogers, and today I wanted to respond to several questions that I've gotten this week about how you get a picture downloaded when you needed a URL for that picture. A lot of people need a URL to post a picture in their blog or in their email that they're creating. So a lot of people are asking how to do that, so I'm going to show you how to do that real quickly using a couple of tools. Alright, so the first thing you want to do, let's just find an image of something that we might want to take a copy of. Let's just say Mickey Mouse, just to be to do something quick. Alright, so we are going to take Mickey Mouse here, and I'm going to just click here. Now, of course, copyright imaging and things like that, you want to be careful of that stuff. Some people are willing to take risks, other people are not. That is just something that you need to think about when you are working with images. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this image to my desktop. So oops, now I pushed the wrong daggone thing. So let's get out of that. All right, I'm going to save this to the desktop. And I'm just going to call it Mickey Mouse. Okay, and then what I can do is go to something called PhotoBucket. It's PHOTOBUCKET.com, photobucket.com, and you can come up with your own account. It's a free account, and you can see A.T. Rogers, that's me here, and these are all of my pictures. What you do is you're just going to pick Upload, and then you're going to choose the photos that you want to put in to this account. So I'm going to go and find Mickey to add Mickey in here. There he was. Okay. Double click it and it'll open up down here when it's ready. Alright, and then you click on Mickey. You can add titles up here, and if you wanted to do that, but right now I'm just going to show you how it shows up. Okay, so this is how it shows up. You have a couple of options. You can edit it if you want to. You can do some different things. I'm not going to go through all of those things that you can do because I just want to show you how to get the URL. So in order to get the URL, you can do direct here if you're going to just put it into like an HTML coder or something like that. You can do a direct. If you want to do an HTML, if you want to just put it straight into your blog, what you do is you copy it, or your email, you copy it and you put it in, and it will show up like this. So that's it, really. These are the things that you use. I use Quackit a lot just because here's the neat thing about blogging and HTML coding. You can put out an email or a blog post in HTML coding without knowing anything about HTML coding. Now, I do know a little bit, but to simplify things, you just can use a tool like this called Quackit.com. Okay. All right, so this is what I just wanted to show you what the whole link would look like. This is what you would put in your blog post here. Okay. What I'm going to do, though, that would be if you're on your WordPress blog or something like that. I'm going to go back to PhotoBucket. I'm going to take this direct link. I'm going to copy that. And then I'm going to, that's an image picture there. And a lot of the programs that you use, or the email creators and GetResponse or Aweber, have things like this. So it's kind of the same concept. I'm going to put that link that I just grabbed from there, and I'm going to enter, and there it is there. Okay, you can take it here and you can resize it if you want. You can just do some different things like that. You can link it. You can put a link to it if you want. You know, ilovedisney.com if that's your website or something like that. Okay. So those are some of the things you can do. So that's how you create a URL for an image. You use something like PhotoBucket. The other thing that you hear people using a lot is TinyPic. It's the same sort of process. PhotoBucket uploads everything for you and keeps it for you. It also talks to your Facebook. So every time you can connect it, every time you take a picture and upload it to your Facebook, it will go to your photo bucket account. So here you can do the same thing. This is tinypic.com. You can browse and find a picture here. I'm just going to choose any old picture to show. Let's do that one. And then you want the file type is image, and you're going to upload now. It's going to make you answer. See, this is not as quick. That's why I don't use TinyPic. I just use PhotoBucket because it's super quick. And then you have to play this little video, and then you're going to end up, we'll just play it for you and show you kind of everything that's involved. And you can decide, do you want to use TinyPic or do you want to use something like PhotoBucket? And they're both free, but it's just different. Now we have to enter this little code so they know that we're not a computer or a robot. Okay, and then it's going to give us all the same stuff that we said here. Okay, that we said to do. So you can use the same types of links. And there's my picture, and this is the direct link. Okay, so it shows you the same things that the PhotoBucket. So I like PhotoBucket just because there's some different things you can do with it. You can share them. You know, if you have a let's see, I'll show you some of my recent uploads. Let's say you have an advertisement or a banner or something like that for an event or something like that. You can just upload it right to Pinterest. Here's one, for example. Okay, this is something I posted to my Facebook wall, and I put it in an email also when I sent it out to my list. But right from here, you can spread it to your Pinterest, Google+, Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, and all of that. So there's some, different things you can do with this. So that is how you use PhotoBucket and get a URL for your pictures. So in the next video, I'm actually going to show you how to create kind of a thumbnail for an ad maybe on Facebook or something like that, and use a couple more free tools to show you how to do that. So guys, hope you got something out of this. If you did, please give me a comment below. If you have any other questions or concerns, put a comment below, and share this with someone else who you know needs to know how to get a URL for their pictures. Thanks guys, make it a great day.